whatever you like.
Confidence isn't just seen, it's felt. It's the way you walk, the way you move, the way the world turns to look when you enter the room. LASIO isn't just hair care. It's power. Now, scent becomes part of the seduction. Introducing the new LASIO Hair Parfum. Because beauty isn't just about what they see. It's about what they remember. A fragrance that lingers, a scent that captivates, a touch of luxury with every step, every glance, every moment. This isn't just hair. This is LASIO.